So you might have foundation settlement and you want us to come out. What should you expect during the inspection? How long will it take? What should you expect? Will you know the repair plans the same day as the inspection? Today we will answer these questions and more. Okay, so after the inspection is scheduled, I will reach out to you to see what's going on with your house. I want to know a little bit more about the problem, and I'd like to discuss what the possible solutions are. After that conversation, I will send you an email with some articles or videos about the likely solution for what your problem is. Do I arrive on time? So for the first inspection of the day, I got to tell you that I don't normally arrive on time. Typically, I arrive 5 or 10 minutes early. So I try to be there pretty close. For the second inspection of the day, I'll generally give you a window of, let's say, between 12 and 1. I'm almost 99% of the time I arrive within that window. Every so often, you know, if I'm going to be late, which isn't very often, you will always get a phone call saying that I'm running a little bit late. I do call the homeowner about a half hour when I'm a half hour away from their house. So after I arrive at the house, first thing is I want to talk with the homeowner again about the issue. I want the homeowner to show me the issues that they're seeing, any cracks in the wall, any sloping of the floor, go through all of those concerns right off the bat. After I'm done looking at all of this, after having the homeowner show me what the problems are, I'm going to take pictures of the outside of the house. After I take pictures of the outside of the house, I'm going to draw out the exterior. After I draw out the exterior, I'm going to draw out all the interior rooms. And then once that's done, I'm going to do a manometer survey. So I'm going to go through the house and I'm going to find the high point, put that down on my diagram, and then go back around the house and find out how much the foundation is settled and where. What we want to do is we want to create a scaled diagram of the house. And that is so that when I'm putting the repair plan together, I know exactly where the piers need to go and where and how many linear feet are affected. So when I go into the crawl space, I'll typically crawl the entire crawl space. What I have to do is I have to draw out where all the girder beams are, where all the posts and pads are. If there's internal stem walls, I have to draw that out. I want to go around, I want to find any cracks in the foundation wall, note that so that I can come up with a solution to fix those cracks. So in the crawl space, we like to do a thorough inspection. I'm going to go over all of the findings before I leave the house, yes. I like to get my proposals out the same day, so you should have that proposal by about 5 o'clock. Well, I send out the proposal and typically I'll follow up in the next day or two to see if the homeowner has any questions about the proposal. So now that you know what to expect with a foundation inspection, give me a call if you have any questions. We look forward to helping you with your home inspection. Thank you for watching the video, and remember, never settle on an unsafe home.